All right, this is how to set up your EcoFlow solar charging panel with Ned as the assistant, and then we're going to set up the Starlink and get some internet so Ned can watch his dog YouTube. All right, I hope this helps give you a little wider perspective here. So what we're going to do is open it up like this, and then we're going to use the backstop, the hard part, to brace it. Okay, so we're going to take the cords on one side, and you'll see that it has the carabiners on two here. So all we need to do is set up the carabiner like this. These are the carabiners it comes with. And if you want to make it even easier, set it up flat. So you're setting up like this, and then attach it to the carabiner. And I recommend replacing these carabiners with something a little better quality. These are just the generic ones that come with it. Hiking carabiners would be a lot stronger. I mean, repelling carabiners, you know. All right, so then over here, now we have better sun. Then this is going to, you gotta bring it up here. This is going to attach to the bottom of the case. I hope you can still see this, sun. So we're gonna take it like this, open it, and then just loop it in like that. Same with the other one, okay? The other bottom like this, just attach it to the bottom. Open the carabiner and thread it through the loop, and then that's it. Okay, so that's, I think, the easiest way to get this set up. Then all we do is tilt it forward, and now we have an automatic backstop. Okay, so now you can see how we have it set up. I would recommend pulling the bottom tight and arcing it like that. Pull that out, and now we have a good angle to the sun. And next, we're going to connect it to our battery bank. I recommend try to keep these out of the dirt. You know, try to keep the panel cleaner. The cleaner it is, the more efficient it will generate. This is not a recommended way to clean it, but it works. Okay, so we're gonna bring the power station up here. And another trick, if you don't have a table nearby, is you can just put the power station underneath it. So we're gonna plug it in, just show you where it plugs in, just like that. There. Now we will be charging, and then you can just hide it underneath, which keeps it out of the sun, keeps it relatively cool. The fans will go on. Now we are generating. So now you can see we are generating power. All right, so this is a 140 watt solar panel. We're currently getting 111. Keep in mind, you're usually not gonna get more than 80% efficiency for most of your panels. So we're doing okay. And right now it's going to take us 6 hours to fully charge. Keep in mind, this thing is at 8%, pretty close to empty. So under 10% charge. It's gonna take us 6 hours to charge, which is why I recommend setting these things up early in the morning and then plugging in as many of the USB devices that you need to charge during the day. Because if it only takes 6 hours, you're still gonna have plenty of sunlight left, and then it'll charge all the associated devices. So we are plugged in, we're good to go. Next, we'll set up the Starlink.